What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. So I gotta say shout out to everybody rocking with the channel. I appreciate all of y'all. If you see, Shiba Inu is going absolutely crazy and it has us all excited. But I need even more excitement to come from y'all by showing support to the channel. Let's get this video to 1,500 likes. Again, like I said, that is a lot of likes for this channel, but I definitely think it's possible. And especially if we are super bullish and we really believe in Shiba Inu, let's push this out easily by hitting that like button. If you are a part of that 49% of viewers that have yet to subscribe to the channel and you believe in Shiba Inu, or you're looking to learn more about Shiba Inu, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and smash that like button. The more likes this video gets, YouTube will understand that people appreciate this type of content and they like this type of content, and YouTube is more likely to recommend it to other viewers. And when more viewers see it, it raises awareness for Shiba Inu and likely brings more people into the SHIBArmy. So let's do that. That's all, it's a free task that we can complete in order to help push our bags even further. So if that's all we got to do, to help campaign for SHIB, I think that's well worth it. So shout out to y'all that do that. Shout out to everybody that already pulls straight up. We got two factors that can likely take Shiba Inu to that next 1 cent level, from a top CEO, from one of the top CEOs in the space, saying Shiba Inu could potentially reach 1 cent with these factors. So we're gonna take a look at this, but first double check and make sure that you have smashed that like button. Again, our goal for this channel is 1,500 on this video, y'all. Represent for the SHIBArmy. Let them know we not playing. Let's go. Shiba Inu, two ways could reach 1 cent. So let's look at this. Shout out to Watcher Guru on this one. They advocate for Shiba Inu, constantly pushing out content. That's what it's all about. More content creators talking about Shiba Inu and building up that hype, building up that demand, and that will in turn increase the floor price. Now think about, especially once shibArmy is rolled out and we got over 1,000 different projects building on top of shibArmy. Imagine when we got all these projects building different meme coins, and imagine when some of these meme coins go parabolic and they're all built on top of shibArmy, burning Shiba Inu. Connect the dots, man. So Shiba Inu's price has been on an uptrend of late. From its wick low of that 50543 level created on June 10th, the asset's price is up by 58% already. However, the path from here could get tricky for Shiba Inu. As chalked out in the chart below, SHIB has stepped into its first resistance cluster. Shiba Inu was unable to make any progress when it traded in this zone last time through May, June. So, we talking about something that if you would have been, subscribed to the channel, you would already seen us break this down. I also did a technical analysis video pointing out, what played out, why Shiba Inu is breaking out now. And I also called out the levels in that technical analysis video on where Shiba Inu is likely to head next. So make sure you check that video out if you haven't. Now drop hashtag SHIBArmy in the comment section if y'all really, SHIB strong, if y'all really about the SHIB mission and you really just want to do your part to push this forward. So the woes will not be there even if SHIB successfully manages to break through this range. Right after, it will be tested by another resistance cluster that had hindered it from recovering in April, May. Only when SHIB successfully overcomes these two barriers will the doors for it to eliminate 1-0 and trade above that 0.12341 level open. So already they're a little off because we already broke above that 0 or that 5 zeros level. This is why y'all want to be subscribed to the channel and have notifications on, because you'll get this before you'll know what's playing out before it actually plays out, and you'll be able to make moves before the major news articles are talking about it. So take a look at this right here. Two factors that could help SHIB's rise. So Shiba Inu shibArmy, and stay tuned to the end of this video. You don't want to miss this, trust me. Shiba Inu shibArmy is expected to launch this month. And in the end of this video, we're going to talk about how, Elon Musk may potentially be in the DMs of the SHIB token Twitter page. So, stay tuned, man. Y'all want to watch this whole video all the way through. Now, Shiba Inu shibArmy is expected to launch this month. Several from the community believe that this will act like an event and bolster the price of the asset. However, most upgrades or launches that have taken place over the past year in crypto industry have acted like non-events. Ethereum's merge, Cardano's Vasil hard fork, and litecoin's halving are three such instances. So what they mean by that, in the last year or so during this bear market, we had some major events that took place in the crypto space that were likely to make prices explode. And because of how bad the market conditions were, these events that should have, boosted up prices didn't technically do that. So what this is speaking on is just because a major event is, marked on the calendar, it does not mean necessarily that the price is going to go absolutely crazy. So you have to remember that as well, even with shibArmy. we are still technically, it's feeling like a bull market for Shiba Inu, but overall we're still technically in that bear market. So, we need, macro conditions to be better, easier for, the overall market to continue to go up. Because remember, when, this last year, we had the FTX collapse, Voyager collapse, dogecoin situation. We had Three Arrows Capital. We had Signature Bank, Silicon Valley Bank, and what was the other one? I can't think of the other one. It was one more, but a lot of banks collapsing. There was a lot of bad news going on a macro scale when it came to the financial space of crypto. So that hindered things. And because of that, a lot of these events that were supposed to take off, were basically suppressed. But I don't think that's going to be the case with Shiba Inu shibArmy, because right now, when you suppress something for too long, it eventually explodes. And right now the market is feeling, a little bit like we can push it and possibly tip the scale in our direction. So in fact, even Shiba Inu has acted similarly in the past. In mid-2021, the hype associated with the project's native decentralized exchange shibaswap was at its peak. The launch was successful, and the decentralized exchange volume also created highs. However, the launch failed to rub off positively on SHIB's price. On launch day, SHIB registered a green candle, but within a fortnight, it shed close to 39% of its value. So within 2 weeks of it launching, that day of its ShibaSwap release, yes, it was a bullish day, green candle formed, but within 2 weeks, it had lost 39%. But it also goes on to say, nevertheless, in the months that followed, SHIB monumentally surged. From its September 2021 lows, the asset appreciated by a whopping 1,636%, y'all. This is what you got to pay attention to. So even if we see one of those buy the rumor, sell the news type of situations where the price runs up all the way leading to shibArmy and starts to sell off, don't just lose hope. That's how markets play out. That can be depleted. That can be just, how the overall market is responding to things. That can be how the market makers are setting things up to play out. But if that does happen, remember, after ShibaSwap launched, we had a green candle. Then 2 weeks, within the next 2 weeks, the price pulled back 39%. But a few months after that, the price was up over 1,600%. So keep that in mind. You don't want to jump out of your position because the price pulls back slightly. Now, remember, this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you want. If you want to buy, sell, or hold, that's all on you. But I'm just telling you, don't let that shake you. If the price does pull back, you can look at that as another opportunity to buy more, because remember, the prices have to breathe. And then, think about that 1,636% that came after that pullback. So that's what I really wanted y'all to pay attention to. But that being said, several experts believe that SHIB could go on to claim historic highs after the shibArmy launch. As reported recently, Jonathan Mary, CEO of MoneyZine.com, claimed that if shibArmy is extremely successful and becomes a global sensation, SHIB may have a better chance of hitting the 1 cent target, y'all. So this is not, just an average analyst. This is somebody who understands, markets, understands sentiment, understands consumers, so it's really, and money, so it's a big deal to get this coming from him. So additionally, the executive stressed that the new burn mechanism could also help in adding bullish pressure on the price. Shiba Inu focused Twitter handle Shi Bezos recently revealed that the project's layer 2 network shibArmy will burn 5 trillion tokens every month. That would be absolutely crazy, y'all. That would be so bullish for the price. And you got to remember, 1 cent is the goal, but you got to remember, we're still going to be making a lot of money even before the price hits 1 cent. Think about that. At a half a cent, most of us will have, probably $100 million, or, somewhere close to that. But reality check, it says if shibArmy burns 5 trillion tokens every month, it would destroy 60 trillion tokens in a year. Therefore, to reach the 1 cent level while maintaining its $4.7 billion market cap, she would need 470 billion tokens in circulation, burning away the remaining 569.5 trillion tokens. Hence, to burn 569 trillion tokens, it would theoretically take the project around 9.5 years, with 5 trillion tokens being burned per month. Now, let's hold on. Now, I know for a lot of people, they're going to be sad and going to be like, what, 9 years? I can't, I'm not doing that. I heard a lot of people already tell me that. But I just want to say personally, for me, even if it took 9.5 years for Shiba Inu to reach 1 cent, I would be okay with that. Of course, I want it to happen way faster. I wish it would happen in 2024. But if it took that long, then I could wait. Think about it. Bitcoin took time to mature and blossom. Doge took time to mature and blossom. Shiba Inu was only 3. It just hit 3. Think about it. Doge, before it really went crazy, it was out for maybe like 8 years, 9 years. So, that's on average. Bitcoin, before, it really, really went to all-time highs, what was that? Like 12 years, somewhere around there. So think about that. that's the time it really can take for some of these projects to blossom. And if you don't want to leave it for yourself, then leave it for your kids or your family, your grandkids, whoever. But if they took that long for life-changing money to that extent, I don't think that's really a long time, to be honest, because the time is going to pass us regardless. So that's, probably like worst case scenario if, it took that long, burning 5 trillion. But let's say, we get to that level where we can potentially burn, because 5 trillion tokens a month is around 60 trillion a year. So imagine, if what Lucy SHIB said was correct, where we can burn 100 trillion tokens per year. Think about that. Then that would drop the time to around, maybe 4.5 years. And, if it took that long, I'm willing to wait that long as well. That's an even shorter time than a 9.5 year time frame. We just got to be realistic. It's not going to happen overnight. And you have to understand that if it did take, longer to play out, how long would you be willing to hold? I'm curious on that. Drop that in the comment section. Let me know, how long are you willing to hold Shiba Inu if it, took longer to reach a penny? What's the max time you'd be willing to hold it? But however, the reality seems to paint a different picture. People from the community have been burning Shiba Inu tokens on a daily basis. Consequently, the burn rate keeps fluctuating, and on certain days it deviates in the denominations of thousands. However, SHIB's price in most cases have not outrightly reacted to the same. In fact, as pointed out in a recent article, Shiba Inu circulating supply has barely changed since June 2022. So, despite questions marking lingering, the shibArmy and shibArmy burn factor together have the potential to act like game changers for SHIB, even though they will likely not trigger SHIB to attain 1 cent overnight. Their success would certainly place SHIB on the bullish path, y'all. That's what it's about. It's about the path. It's not going to happen overnight, but the fact that it can happen is what's important. People thought, I was in DogeArmy when people still never thought 1 cent was possible. I was in Doge when I didn't even think 1 cent was possible. So, obviously it's a different coin, it's different things, but still though, you never know what can happen. That's the point there. But we got one more thing I want to add before we get out of here. So, if you've been paying attention, Shiba Inu, recently responded to Elon Musk with a tweet letting him know that the DMs are open. Now, this is in response to Elon saying that, he basically loves the Twitter platform. He says, I get more laughs from this platform than everything else combined. I hope you do too. Thanks for posting such great content. And then the official SHIB token page reached out to him and said, you're welcome. DMs are open, by the way, at Elon Musk's relationship. And, this account, the Shiba Inu account, has like 3.5 million followers or something like that. So it's likely, and Elon Musk is very active on Twitter, so it's likely that he will see that. And I'm assuming Elon Musk may hop into the DMs of the official Twitter page. Of the official Shiba Inu Twitter page. And just imagine what type of conversations can be had, what types of developments can come from that. Sheesh, y'all, connect the dots. We already know Elon is looking to, transform Twitter into X, which is a social and financial platform. And, he's already said that he does not intend on ever creating a token for Twitter. So likely he's going to have to adopt a token with a very strong community that's already out there. And which community you think that might be, y'all? Connect the dots in the comment section, man. Drop hashtag connect the dots in the comment section if y'all rocking with me, man. So let's check out the prices real quick. We got overall crypto market at 1.16 trillion right now, stagnant. Is not really giving or taking at the moment. Bitcoin back over 29K, Ethereum at 1836, BNB 242, XRP at 62 cents. Again, y'all, let's get this video to 1,500 likes. If you haven't smashed the like button already, do me a favor and hit that like button. We got Cardano at 29 cents, Sol at 22.64, Tron at 7 cents, Matic at 66 cents, Litecoin at 83.25, Dot at 497, and then we got Shiba Inu at that 4 zeros, 1,008 points per coin, up 16.4% on the days, up 17% on the week. So we just seen Shiba Inu creeping into the top 10 coins. I talked about that happening. It is at number 14 place by market cap right now. It did briefly move up above Dot and take the number 13 spot. But we do have people selling Shiba Inu right now, taking some profits, which is fine. It's up to you to do whatever you want to do with your money if you do decide to sell. But, for those individuals that are selling right now, I think they're going to regret, not holding out for, higher prices, especially as we get closer to shibArmy. So Shiba Inu looking good right now. Eventually, we're a hair behind Dot to take that 13th place back. And then we'll be taking the 12th place and then the 11th place. And then the real fight comes in between Tron and SHIB at that 10th place, you know, fighting for that level, because Tron's sitting at a $6.9 billion market cap. Now I know SHIB can easily pass 6 billion, 6.1 billion, 6.2 billion dollar market cap. We might be sitting at a 6.5 billion dollar market cap, you know, by the end of the day if the bullish sentiment continues. But that 6.9, we might, you know, need a little bit more troops to come in to, you know, take us beyond that level. But that's all we got for this video. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. If you're interested in getting access to my stock options trading class tomorrow, this Sunday, reach out to me via Instagram at DecemberDeMarco. Let me know you're interested in the options trading class, and I'll get you enrolled. Also, follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. Follow me on Instagram at DecemberDeMarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. 1,500 likes on this video, y'all, and we are